How can the spirit of Kadayawan inspire unity beyond the festival season? Paano makakapagbigay inspirasyon ng diwa ng Kadayawan para sa pagkakaisa kahit tapos na ang selebrasyon?
Thank you. Para kadioy, kakadayawan, og sa ulugon ta, kono do na Agusto. So si kantak mo manubo, layon ta igpapito, konto, kahit kanta na kaupianan, kantan pog istorya, kakantan pog suto, kanta no, sa inisinuutan. For me, the Kadayawan is not just only we're celebrating during August. But for us, IPs and Boros, we celebrate is all time to our community, and I'm proud of that to say to the whole world that I am so proud of my tribe, Ata tribe. And for us to give inspiration that we should always celebrate to our community, the culture that we have, the diversity that we have, the tradition, the dialect, and even best practices. That would be all. Thank you.
From Hiya sa Tribong Ata.